GA4 doesn't give you new VS returning users in BigQuery by default, but we can define it with just one condition, comparing timestamp. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm a marketing BI analyst and the founder of Gala Reports. On my website, you will find Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales and a blog about Google Sheets, Looker Studio, and BigQuery for marketing analytics. Subscribe to my blog to get a free Looker Studio template based on GA4 data. And I will send you not more than one email per month. So let's back to our GA4 data. GA4 includes two key fields in BigQuery. First, First, touch timestamp, and means timestamp exact minute and second and millisecond when user entered on your website for the first time, and event timestamp, when the current event happened. And we can compare it to this parameter and get a query. So here our query. If you don't know how to read it, I already recorded several videos about your first step after you exported GA4 data to BigQuery. So this I explained there. Parse data explained already several times. So what is here? We have, as I show you, user first touch timestamp, and we have event timestamp. And if these two parameters are the same, we can use user ID and we can count unique user IDs. And then this will be our new users. And if user first touch timestamp less than event timestamp, it will be return users. That's it. Super easy. You can merge this logic into larger tables with sessions, traffic source conversion, and more, and use tips and tricks from other videos. If you want more GA4 and BigQuery tutorials like this one, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what you would like to build next.